Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using these side buttons. So if you are in a call, then make sure to increase the volume right here. Make sure that it's up to the max so the whole bar is white. Now, you can only change it in an active call. You cannot change it in the settings, so this setting is actually not changeable here, which is a bit weird. But as you guys can see, whenever we go to sound and vibration, we go to volume, then we only have the ringtone, media, notifications, and system, and of course the AI assistant. Now, this is only available in an active call, so if you want to change it, then call up somebody and then simply increase the volume using the volume up button. Next, what we want to do is we want to go to connected devices, not the connected devices, but the connections. Now go to Bluetooth and make sure that you disable the Bluetooth right here. So we do that because we want to rule out any connected devices, and we want to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device. It's very important because sometimes we forget about our headphones that are still active on the Bluetooth, or a speaker, or even a car if we are connected to it. So make sure to keep that in mind to turn the Bluetooth off. Now what we want to do is we have some earpiece right up here, and earpiece is what we bring to an ear, and this is where we hear people from. We want to make sure that it's clean. Make sure to use something that's not metallic, because something metallic can only damage it and it will be way worse than it is. Now make sure to use something like a soft brush. And then what you guys can do is test another call with the same app, or try another app like WhatsApp for an example, or simply any app that has a call support system. Next, what you guys want to do is restart the smartphone. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So it is very important to make sure that we are on the latest version of the software, because older versions tend to have a lot more glitches than the newer ones. That's why we want to update our phone. We're going to go over into the settings and I'll show you how to find it. Let's go over and scroll down. Here we will have something like a software update. As you guys can see, it automatically brought me here, and as you guys can see, we can start downloading it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.